Whisks have always been messy, wasteful, and a pain to clean. Whisk Wiper solves all of that. Here's how it works. First, place Whisk Wiper onto the included stainless steel whisk, taking a moment to line up the loops and then whisk away. Whisk Wiper keeps the loops up off the counter. It even catches the drips. You can rest the whisk cleanly on the edge of the bowl. And when you're done, instead of washing all that food down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return it to the bowl. Whisk Wiper helps you save every last bit. It even gets corners. We've got mini Whisk Wiper for small jobs, and for larger mixing tasks, there's Whisk Wiper Pro made just for stand mixers. Whisk Wiper. Bake more, clean less.